On top inside Edo today, Edo state government don sama 158 poultry farmers for Edo with 125,000 poultry beds, food and vaccines for 11 different locations for the state.
What do they have to say to the government?
Edo state government under the administration of Vacancy Governor Godwin Obaseki don sama poultry farmers dem with 125,000 poultry beds, food and vaccines as this one follow for Obaseki agripreneurship reform for Edo. To see say farm matter go the next level, and dem do this one through the office of the special adviser to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top agriculture, food security and forestry, Prince Joe Okoje. If una remember say e never too tey wey we knack una tori on top how dem carry sensitization program go meet poultry farmers dem for Edo State unto Edo State government plan to catapult dem production with Edo State agripreneurship program. Na dis one na im come make 158 poultry farmers for di state get poultry beds, and as the farm big reach na im dem take get, as some get 500, some get 1,000. Make una sabi say na dis one be the first phase of Edo State agripreneurship program for poultry farm matter, as the farmers dem still get loan for 9% interest. And dis ogbonge matter so e shele for 11 different locations for Edo State, the one wey dem dey call clusters. The farmers dem still talk how body take do dem on top dis ogbonge opportunity wey Edo State government sama give dem to carry their production matter for poultry matter waka far. And this one dey follow till live media take yarn dis ogbonge tori dem.
Our state government, in their wisdom, have decided to encourage the poultry farmers in Edo State. And in doing that, we have some clusters in Edo State, and this is one of the clusters, where we have 18 farmers in the cooperative, in the cluster. And each farmer here is being given 1,000 beds, so we've just received about 18,000 beds here, with feeds and the necessary vaccines, medication, and all the necessary inputs have been arranged for, both from charcoal to the wood shaving and every other thing, even to the fueling of our generators. These are part of the plans by the state government to encourage us. This is the first time I'm experiencing this type of initiative by government, and it's a lot. But when they started, I thought it was the normal jamboree and normal stories in here. But I'm surprised, within a month, this has come to a reality. I'm not a politician right now, but I'm saying the truth.
We have 18,000 beds, and then we just receive so. And that 18,000 beds, what we just receive, with the feed, to feed them, with the fuel, the charcoal, and the manpower, everything what we're supposed to do to keep the bed to the normal process, or we take carry them, go market, or we take grow and well, everything. The government don't give us, and for us, we are happy. We dey satisfied for waiting the Edo State government don't do.
Poultry farm they do. They bring the best come for us today. 20,000 beds for my cluster. My cluster mean outside cluster one. They pay fees, they 20,000 beds and fees. Starter and finish up today. We can see this is a farm farm facility, and we have the farm farm clusters using the facility here. And a total of 18 farmers farming 18,000 beds, and that is to tell you that each farmer is farming 1,000 beds. And the government has actually made this thing easy for them by providing feed. As you can see to my right, there's a truck of feed carrying 1,240 feeds for the birds, and you just saw that the farmers were being supplied their day-old chicks today from Olam. That's the truck by there, and they are doing the sorting over there. This is a total of 22,000 that came from Olam, and this farm is supposed to receive 18,000. So this is going on in other 10 locations, in total of 11 locations. 125,000 beds and the feeds as well. The state government, through the economics of production, we are through the SA have been able to work it out how the farmers will have a productive farming season.
Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today, as Edo state government don sama farmers dem wey dey poultry farming for Edo state with 125,000 poultry beds, and dem do dis one for 11 different locations for di state on top how poultry matter go take waka far. Make una sabi say na T-Live Media na im dey knack una dis ogbonge informate on top inside Edo today. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T-Live Media. As our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.